Hey guys, I just got off a Zoom interview with a couple of my software developer friends, and we found about this awesome trick in PHP where you can allow for full transparency. So let's create a transparency function here, and you can put this code in your footer or wherever you want. I recommend it in your footer, but so first we need to set the path to the file, and then we need to get the content to file, get contents path, and then now this is where the magic happens. We do a little div here, and we do div style display none, so we hide this to the user, but if they need to look at the source code, that's where they get the transparency from. So visually it doesn't make a difference on your website, but practicality, it really enhances the user experience in the corporate world, if that makes sense. Okay, so JSON encode file name, and then we do the base name of the path, and then we need to do the path, which is going to be the path, and then the content, which is going to be the content, and then we got to close out that array, close out that function, add the semicolon, and I think I have that right. No, there, close out that div, then the semicolon. Okay, so now this is where basically the magic happens at the end. So we can put this anywhere on your website, but I recommend it in the footer. So at the bottom we just call transparency, and then we save it, and now we go to the website, and then if we go to the source, got the full transparency of your site is down here for the corporate IT people to like look at it. So yeah, this is an awesome trick. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hopefully you found it useful. If you use it in production, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.